Hello guys, and welcome to this video. And in this video I'll be explaining to you one of the most important functions for your Igcse exam. That is the sum function. Now the sum function is split into two things, the sum and the SUMIF. So let's see what the sum does. So sum basically adds the numbers, and you can do this by doing sum, and you can see it adds the numbers in a range of cells. So if I want to see the total transfer distance of all these fruits, so let's say I want to calculate what are my transportation costs, so that would be 96 kilometers traveled. If I want to see what's the total amount of costs of these fruits, so cost of selling per unit, 74. Okay, and the total units sold, so this is all the revenue I've gathered. My total revenue is $1583. Okay, so that's basically sum. Sum is addition, that's it. Now SUMIF is addition based on a condition. Now what does that mean? Now see, this is really easy. However, it might feel tricky, okay? So let's say SUMIF here, okay? Okay, here I'll explain. So SUMIF basically is a formula like this, which has the criteria. Here you can see the criteria on. Here you have to have range, criteria, and sum range here. Okay, so how do you get that? So range is basically what you want to find, what kind of table you want to find this in. So I want to calculate the costs for the units that have transport distance more than 10. So I'll put transport distance as my range here. So I want to find the cost of units that are more than 10 kilometers. So I'll do this, and obviously you know how to do this: greater than operators, less than operators. So this is greater than 10. Okay, and then I'll say units sold. So what is the revenue I get from the fruits which have a transport distance of more than 10? So we had to go very far. So you know, that's pretty easy to understand. And so it shows a 658. So how did it get 658? It added these three. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, Yup. Good thing I stumbled across this. This is a huge mistake students do. It's more than 10. Wait a sec. This is different from this. This means greater to or equal than, no, greater than or equal to, and this is greater than. So what is this? Sum is more than 10. So this will be watermelon because this is more than 10. This one because it's more than 10, this one because it's more than 10, and that gives us 658 exactly. So that's how a SUMIF works. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your questions in the comments, because this is a very important formula you need to know in your exams. And that's it for this short video. See you guys.